Thank you, my bro. Um, our world, our state, our land is a wonderful place. We, the people, we should be the agent to usher in peace and unity, right? And I like to dedicate this song to our beautiful state, Manipur. Follow the Moscow and down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of chains. An August summer night, and soldiers passing by, listening to the wind of chains. The world is closing in, and did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers? The future's in the air, I can feel it everywhere, blowing with the wind of change. Since this is a song about peace, I want you all to sing along with me. I bet 90% of you knows the song, yeah? Take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, when the children of tomorrow dream away in a wind of change. Walking down the street, a distant memories are buried in the past forever. I follow the Moscow down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind of change. So take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow share their dreams with you and me on slow. So take me to the magic of the moment on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow dream away in a wind of change. The wind of change blows rage into the